Okay, so in this video today I'm going to teach you guys how you can be able to manage your own cargo website. Okay, so this is a website I've done so far. So right now here I'm going to teach you guys how you can be able to uh, run your shipment. Okay, and everything will be done successful. Okay, so right now here you need to, first of all, you need to add your receivers your receiver. You need to add the person, the person's name and his number and the branch and the receiver's address. Once you have added the person, you just click on create. You add the person and then you come back again. You will add the sender's address. You add the sender because it's very important. You can't just add the receiver without the sender. Okay, then you click on user list. Sorry, let's look for senders. This is what on receiver. Click on shipments and then create new shipments. Okay, so once you click on new shipment, you click on new shipment, there's something that you need to do. Is very important. So I'm going to show you guys here how you're going to do it. This is from sender and then this is to the receiver. Okay, you click the country that the person is, and here is the country that the person is going to send. So these are the things that you need to consider. It first of all, you need to add the country. We have to add the country, the region and the area that you're going to send the tracking, or let me say the goods or any product that you're going to send. These are the very important thing. This is to region and then to area, the area that the things will be sent. So once you click here, you click on manage areas. So once you click on manage areas, these are the areas so far. Okay, the areas that we're going to send this is the areas that are created so far. So now you have to click on add area to the area that you're going to send. Okay, so let's say, okay, you want to send it to Germany. You want to set your tracking shoe like you're going to send it to Germany. Let's say Germany and then the region of Germany. Let's just see, the name should be, let's say, Berlin. Okay, and then area of Berlin. We're going to, let's say, I'm just going to, I don't know the area that is in Berlin, but let me just say I'm going to write A. Okay, and then we'll click create. Once you click the create, we have added the area. You can see this is the area, and then let's go back again and then add the area of the sender. Okay, so these are it's very important. You have to set all this from the admin. Okay, so where is this shipment? Again, click on create new shipments. So right now here we want to add from the person that is going to send. So we're going to add his own area too. So click on manage areas again. So let's click add area. I'm going to add, let's say, Nigeria. From Nigeria here, sending it to, so in Nigeria here, I think, let's click, this is Nigeria. Okay, I haven't added Nigeria yet from the country, so let's just choose US, United United States, and then let's say, okay, let's say Maryland, and let's say let's see BBBB. This is the area name, and then create. Click on create. So right now here we have added the area and where the country that where you're going to send the product or the goods to, so that it should be tracked. Okay, so we have to go back to, we click on shipment again, create shipment, and then let's say the branch is from US, and the sender, the customers, the send customer, this the customer's name, let's say we'll set it there, and then customer address, the address, then receiver name, this, and this is the address. So the person is from, let me see, okay, we choose from US, the Oklahoma, and then you can see the area, and then to, let's say Germany here, and then Berlin. From Berlin, then we have the area I set earlier. Then you can see invoice or cash payment, and then here you can be able to add the attachments, the pictures of the products you're shipping, and you can see jewelries, cash, and documents. Okay, so you can see description, ring, you can see everything here is done, and then you can write the price here, let's say $900, and you can see pending, hold, 11 June, time, and everything here. You can see, let's say on hold. Okay, you see everything is done successful. So now you can click create. You can see shipping cost and then the total cost. Okay, so let's say save. Now everything is done, so I have created it. So I want to track it. I'll click on track. We're going to track this. We're going to track it. So track. You can click on track here and then search. You can see everything here is done successful. And then one more thing is that you can be able to print this. Click on print. You can print your invoice. You can print your invoice, and you can also print your label. Okay, you can print your label. It's loading. You can see this is your label. You can print it. So everything is working perfect. So as I earlier said, if you need the script, I will drop the link in the description below, so that you can be able to click and get the script. So if you're new on my YouTube channel, please, my name is Lawrence. I create videos to make money online and some tech tips. So don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up my video if you like my video. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate. We're good.